Hey, sweet friends, this is our day 2 lesson of the creation of man from Genesis 1:26 through chapter 2 on to verse 23. And so we are going to actually get into how he made Adam in detail. So remember, God made the world and all the beautiful things that are in it, but God was lonely. So none of the things that God had made could talk to him or love him. And then God made man. This time, however, God did not just speak. He created man out of the dust of the earth. He breathed his life into him, and man became a living soul. So, dust, what's so special about dust? God breathed his very breath into this dust. And so God created the first man, and his name was Adam. Isn't that awesome? But God told Adam to take care of all the animals in the land, and to do things, to garden and to be fruitful and make sure that he purged the trees and took care of the plants. But God saw that even in all of Adam's work that he was going to be lonely too. And so God didn't want Adam to be lonely. So tomorrow we're going to talk about Eve. Bye, guys.